In this video, I will explain about citation and bibliography available in the References tab of MS Word. So, what is citation? Citation means the details about the gathered information in your document. See, you are preparing a large document. So, this document prepared using number of books and using number of sites reference or using some other sources. So, you will copy the information from those sources and you are preparing the entire large document. So, the sources information from where you gathered this particular information, that details you have to place using, you can maintain using insert citation. Okay, first select the insert citation option. See, credit a source of information by citing a book, article or other material it come from. So, from where you gathered, you have to add new source. Okay. So first you have to select type of source, whether it is from book or book session or a journal article or from a report or from website. You have to select the first. First I am selecting book. So, and author, suppose I am giving and you can say some other information, corporate author and title of the book, SQL Server Complete Reference, year of publishing and city, publisher, so like that you can place all the information. Finally, show all bibliography fields also you can select, or otherwise if it is enough you can see, you can deselect this one. If you select, it will gives you more information. You can fill up all these details. If you don't want them, briefly you can complete the session. Finally, you say OK. See, after this paragraph, the citation related information came here, Krishna 2022, like that. And suppose here also, for this also I selected the same source. So, I am giving insert citation. See, this is the recent one you have created. I am selecting that one, automatically that particular citation result will come, and here also. And if you want to prepare some other citation, suppose for this I want to prepare some other. So again go for add new source, and this time I am taking a website as reference for this. So automatically some fields changed here. So author means suppose XYZ I am giving, and sometimes there may not be author, and name of web page, about something, I will give about scalar functions. Like that. And name of the website, suppose I am giving sqlserver.com. And year also you can mention 2021 and month, day, and you can set URL also. Suppose http colon www dot sqlserver.com. So like that, finally I can say OK. So automatically the related information came here. In other places also, if you want the same, and go for citation, insert citation, and we have two options here. Suppose I am selecting this one, you can place the citation. And see, manage sources are there. If you click on manage sources, you can current list automatically prepared. If you want, you can copy. See, this tag name exists in both in master list and the document. Each source must have unique tag name. You want to override the source? No, because already current list prepared for them. If you don't want, you can delete them. You can edit them. For example, edit again, you change some other information, like I am changing the month, and finally say OK. Yes. And if you want new one, again prepare new source and select some other report, like that. You can edit some other information and finally set OK. Right. So this is the way to prepare citations. Once you prepared citations means you have to manage bibliography like this. These are the different types of models, bibliography of this document. Suppose finally I am giving bibliography in the last page. Here you can select different types, references or works cited or bibliography. Any model you can select. Suppose I am selecting references, and you can also select like this, bibliography. Two sources are there from where you gathered the information. You can add some more references or bibliography citations. Finally, you can insert those. And there is the style model. How you want to appear this references or bibliography? There are so many models. Suppose ISO styles. So like that you can select the style of the, suppose MIA, different styles appearance will come. Okay, this is about citations and bibliography.